I really wish the news that I was about to bring to you right now could be of a different nature. I saw this individual posted all over social media as being missing. Sad to say his body was found. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 7 TV. Let's talk. It's a sad and emotional moment for the family and friends of Dante Turnbull after the reality set in that he will no longer be returning home after numerous requests were made online and a number of posts being made by family members and friends that were hoping for his safe return. I've watched a number of clips on the social media platform YouTube when he first went missing, and sad to say that his body was actually found just a few days ago. We here at Links 7 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the family and friends of this individual because I know that this is going to be a difficult time for them, a difficult one to grapple with because the family and friends of this individual, they were not expecting such a news as this. As was reported, he got a call and he went out in order to carry out his daily duties. And somehow it seemed as if him doing his job was a setup on this particular day, as up until now, his choke has not been recovered, and many people have begun to speculate, and there are many rumors circulating online as to what might have caused this to happen. However, we're about to update you with the latest that we have in relation to the matter, but it's a very sad situation, and it just goes to show you what's really going on around us and the world that we're living in. Gone are the days when someone went missing and you could be hoping for the best. In this day and age that we're living in right now, you just have to brace yourself for the worst. And in most cases, the worst is actually not what you would want it to be. And in this case right now, this is what the family have to grapple with. The reality that this individual, he was such a young and promising individual, just 24 years old. He had his entire life ahead of him and his life cut short. Maybe over envy, maybe someone just wanted what he had, and it's just so many things that could have led to what happened to him. So friends and relatives of 24-year-old Dante Turnbull are left devastated by his taking out and also his disappearance of his blue Isuzu truck he received from abroad just a few months ago. So this individual was actually using his truck in order to sustain himself, carrying out his daily duties, and just in order to be an upstanding citizen of his country, and just in order to make an honest living. Seemed as if someone helped him with this truck from overseas, and he was actually doing his thing. And it's one of those things that we have looked into over and over again, and we've seen how these situations have played out, and this is just one in another of sad ending to a story, and one that we really did not really want to cover, as I was hoping that this individual would have returned home safely. But my doubts were cast under the bus when it was revealed that this individual body was actually found. I'm so shocked and I'm so surprised. And I hope that the authorities just try to find a way and means of putting the pieces of this puzzle together, because the family right now, they themselves, they are left in total disbelief. They are left in shock based on the new revelation that came out this week that this individual was actually found, and he was not found in a state that the family were actually expecting. So let me update you with the latest we have in relation to this story. So this individual was actually carrying out his daily tasks when this unfortunate situation happened. What happened to him still puzzles the entire community, still puzzles authority, and puzzles his friends and family right at this time. So according to an individual who do not wish to be named, and this is a family member of Dante Turnbull, I heard that he got a charter to go Hanover and that he left home last week Friday morning at about 8:30, and this would have been the sister stating this, and she asked not to be named. On Monday he later sent two videos, one to a car group and to a friend at about 11:14 a.m., showing them that he had reached Lucy. That was the final communication anyone heard from him. So based on this, he went on a charter, and somewhere along the line, something must have gone wrong. This might have been a setup, no one knows. So according to the police report, Turnbull was found on December the 4th at Wright Hall Plantation in Green Island, Hanover, and this would have been a few days after he went missing. It is said that his pants pockets were torn inside out, meaning as if someone had searched him to make sure that whatever valuables he had on him, they were actually taken from him. And this happened in Wright Hall Plantation, Green Island in Hanover. So might have been this charter might have been a setup, no one know, in order to lure him to the area so these individuals could carry out this act on him. His truck still has not been found, which has left many people speculating whether or not his truck was actually the intended target of the whole entire situation that went down. So reports from the Green Island police are that at about 3:45 p.m., residents discovered the body of Turnbull and alerted the police. On the arrival of the police, Turnbull was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead by the doctor on duty. The scene of the crime was processed and the body actually removed from the hospital to the morgue. The Jamaica Constabulary Force said that they are not in any lead at this point in time and they are continuing their investigation in order to ascertain the motive behind this latest crime. But they have so far not provided any real details in relation to any motive behind this crime. So, according to his sister, since receiving the truck registered CP 4900, Turnbull has been using it to transport building materials and other goods, usually from hardware stores. He also used it to do house removal as well. So, this individual seemed to be a hardworking individual, and he was actually doing his thing and just trying to make ends meet for the family and turning his life in a positive path. But somewhere along the line, someone wanted to cut that short, and so they did. This individual is being described as an industrious individual. Turnbull had been using a car to offer chartered trips before he got the truck from his father, who lived overseas, according to his sister. Any hours at all you could always count on him, she added. His passing, she said, has plunged the community into a deep state of mourning. It is very, very sad, describing her late sibling as a very good person. She added that her brother was passionate about music as well as driving. He always ensured persons are happy when you see him, whichever means it may be. And this is just some sentiments that the family is sharing about this individual. But what could have led someone to want to took the life of this individual? Might be it was a setup in order to get his truck. No one knows as the family continue to grapple with this very sad news. This is where I'm gonna leave this here one for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Link 007 TV. Let's talk. I hope that the family just find the strength and courage to cope through this difficult one. This is where I say so long for now. Peace out and bless.